Peterboro's line of museum matboards are made from the purest 100% cotton, offering the highest level of preservation for your most important archival framing projects. Produced with care at the Peterboro manufacturing facility, these naturally acid-free matboards offer a long history of performance. Each reference in our Museum 100% cotton line is individually PAT certified by the Image Permanence Institute at RIT, and also meet or exceed all specifications set out by the Professional Picture Framers Association and the Fine Art Trade Guild. As we manufacture each board in-house using raw materials sourced from the finest cotton mills in the United States, we take great care to ensure that each board passes our stringent quality inspection procedures for cuttability, color consistency, material integrity, product cleanliness, and preservation. Our museum line offers references available in both 1 and 2-ply, traditional 4-ply, and 8-ply in the most popular colors. With a variety of colors and shades to choose from, as well as large sizes reaching up to 60 inches by 104 inches, crafting excellence and preserving your finest work has no limit with Peterboro.